Hello guys, I just want to come to you real quick and drop another jewel on you, another one, okay? This one is called Cred.AI. This is another tool to build credit. This one is kind of unique. This one is a little different. I'm going to briefly explain what it is, what it does, and how it's going to help you build that credit score up to 700 plus like we like to do here at Revenue Financial, okay? This is a financial technology company that offers credit card with no fees, no interest, and automatic credit optimization, okay? This helps people build credit responsibly while avoiding debt and overspending, okay? The target audience for this is young adults, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking for smarter money management, helping you build your scores up, okay? A couple key features about Cred.AI. The real name is credit card, the unicorn card, So it works like a debit card, but builds credit like a credit card. It automatically pays itself off, preventing overdraft fees and missed payments. It also reports to all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, okay? On their website here, they guarantee a credit boost. There's no hard credit check required, so you don't get no inquiry on there when they check to see if you qualify, okay? Users have reported an instant 20-point boost right after signing up. 20 points right after signing up, unheard of, right? So this helps establish or rebuild credit quickly and effectively, okay? Again, it's no fees, no interest, $0 annual fee, $0 interest, and no hidden charges throughout the process. This card is designed to help users build credit without risking debt, okay? If you have a hard time, spending habits and stuff like this card is great for you, okay? They also have what's called a stealth card feature, unlimited fraud protection. What this means is, so on this card, you can create temporary virtual credit card to use for online purchases. So if you're using this company one time, and basically what happens is they give you 16 card digit or whatever, you're gonna use that card, and then that number changes. That card number can never be used again. What this does, it prevents merchants from storing your real card information, adding an extra level of security, okay? The AI-powered credit and budgeting tool, right? This prevents overspending and ensures you never spend more than you can afford, right? Also, one of my favorite is the auto payoff system. Automatically pays off your balance every cycle to prevent missed payments, right? So you're gonna be adding money onto this card to automatically pay it off every round, so you don't have no missed payments, okay? Also, real-time transaction monitoring, instant alert for spending, payments, and fraud detection. You get text messages to your phone instantly, right? Okay, how to apply for Cred.AI, right? No hard credit check again, guys. You're gonna download the app. Whether you have Apple, Android, whatever phone you have or device you're using, you're gonna go to Cred.AI app, download that. It's called to manage your spending or whatnot, okay? You can use this card for everyday purchases like groceries, bills, subscriptions, and then you let the AI automatically manage payments. What this does is it shows on your credit that you are now utilizing credit the right way, okay? And then you just sit back and watch your credit improve over time, right? Pros and cons for this card. All right, pros, no fees, no interest, no credit check, right? Another pro, AI-driven automatic to prevent overspending. So the AI is gonna pay your spending off for you, right? Instant credit score boost potential. Like I said, it boosted 20 points. Users have reported instant boost of 20 plus points on their credit, all three bureaus, right? Another pro is that it reports to all three bureaus, okay? And then last pro for me is the stealth card. It adds extra level of security for online purchases to where you don't have to worry about, if you're using a ranky-dank company to buy something real quick one time, that card number changes, so you don't have to worry about that company using your card again, okay? Cons, all right? Limited to Cred.AI ecosystem. So what that means is you can't add the card to any external banks. That's one of the cons for me here. You can't carry a balance. The AI pays it off automatically, so you can't carry a balance. And then it's not a traditional credit card. For those looking to revolve credit, it's not traditional. You know, those are my only cons. I would still say if you're looking to build credit, Cred.AI is tremendous for what you're trying to do. Please click the link below this video. Get started with Cred.AI. It's going to help you build that score up. And that's it for me, guys. Stay blessed and let's run that credit up, man. Thank you for watching.